Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Agriculture Classroom is probably one of the most impactful educational tools available today, offering a unique opportunity to connect students with the origins of their food, the science of farming, and the vital role agriculture plays in our global society, fostering a deeper appreciation for sustainability, environmental stewardship, and career pathways in a rapidly evolving industry. Number 5. The Crafty Promise Bold Chalk Markers 8-Pack. Say goodbye to dusty chalk and hello to a world of brilliant neon colors. These markers make creativity fun and incredibly easy to express. Crafted with a dustless, non-toxic formula, they are eco-friendly and perfectly safe for any environment. Enjoy creating without any unpleasant odors or worries. When it's time for a change, simply wipe them away with a wet paper towel. They remove completely and easily from almost any non-porous surface, leaving no residue. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, an artist, or a business owner, these are designed for you. They bring your ideas to life on chalkboards, windows, glass, and more. Each marker features a versatile reversible tip, allowing you to switch between fine and broad lines. This gives you more control and flexibility for all your writing and drawing needs. We stand by the quality of our markers. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, simply reach out to us. We're committed to ensuring your happiness. What we like. These markers offer vibrant, dust-free writing for any non-porous surface. If you're a teacher looking to engage students with bright colors, or a parent wanting a safe and easy-to-clean art tool, you should consider these. Their simple wipe-off feature makes starting fresh a breeze. What people say. Number 4. 48 Prepared Microscope Slide Set for Science Education. Unlock the wonders of nature with this comprehensive set. It offers a fascinating journey into the tiny details of animals, insects, and plants. Each slide is crafted from high-transparency plastic, ensuring safety for young hands. They are pre-cleaned, non-toxic, and feature smooth edges for worry-free exploration. Discover specimens that are meticulously prepared and clearly labeled. This makes classification simple and ensures easy, permanent storage for your collection. Experience vivid, well-dyed images under your microscope. These slides provide clean and clear observations, stimulating curiosity in young learners. With 48 unique slides, this set covers a wide range of biological tissues. It's an excellent educational tool for basic biology, perfect for students and educators alike. Looking for an inspiring present? This collection is an ideal gift for any budding scientist or young family member starting their biological research journey. What we like. This set provides an amazing quantity of prepared slides for comprehensive biological exploration. If you have young children just beginning science education, or are an educator needing a robust learning resource, you should consider these. Their clear observation and safe design make them perfect for curious beginners. What people say. Number 3. Hadley Designs Motivational Classroom Decor Posters. This set includes 9 growth mindset posters, designed to build a positive atmosphere. They are perfect for classroom decor and foster a sense of achievement in elementary, middle, and high school. Ideal for preschool and kindergarten, these posters reinforce positive affirmations and boost student confidence. They feature uplifting phrases that encourage kindness and respect, creating a welcoming and supportive environment. Designed for homeschool parents, these posters help preschoolers develop a growth mindset. With inspirational quotes, they promote resilience and positivity, setting a foundation for academic success. These posters are ideal for office decor or enhancing school environments. They help create a positive, encouraging atmosphere for both students and staff. Perfect for parents of young children, these inspirational wall art posters provide an engaging and positive learning environment. They are a helpful addition to toddler room essentials and playroom decor, encouraging success and making learning fun. What we like. This collection of posters is designed to cultivate a positive and encouraging atmosphere. If you are a teacher aiming to inspire resilience and a growth mindset in your classroom, or a homeschool parent creating an uplifting learning space, you should consider these. Their vibrant designs and motivational phrases are perfect for daily inspiration. What people say. Number 2. Juvale 30-row burlap cell phone pocket chart. Keep your classroom tidy and focused with this innovative storage solution. Its thoughtful design helps minimize distractions, creating a better learning space for everyone. Crafted from premium jute, it offers both longevity and a charming rustic look. The numbered pockets make organizing and retrieving personal items incredibly simple. This versatile holder can accommodate up to 30 devices, making it perfect for any educational setting. Its numbered design supports efficient classroom management, keeping everything in its place. Measuring 23.6 by 31 inches, it's designed for easy installation with 3 top holes for secure wall mounting. Its size and design make it suitable for various educational uses, fitting perfectly into your space. By providing designated storage for devices, it significantly reduces interruptions. This promotes organization and fosters a more focused and productive learning atmosphere for students. What we like. This organizer is an excellent solution for maintaining order and focus in any learning environment. If you are a teacher struggling with classroom distractions from personal devices, or simply need an efficient way to manage student belongings, you should consider this. Its numbered pockets and wall-hanging design promote a more productive atmosphere. What people say. Number 1. Veterinary Anatomy Coloring Book. Discover an engaging way to master complex veterinary anatomy. This book transforms studying into an interactive and memorable experience. By actively coloring anatomical structures, you reinforce your knowledge and improve retention. It's a proven method for deeper understanding. Explore hundreds of meticulously drawn illustrations covering various animal systems. Each page provides clear visual guidance for your studies. Whether you're a veterinary student, technician, or a seasoned professional, this resource is invaluable. It caters to all levels seeking to enhance their anatomical expertise. From skeletal and muscular systems to neurological and reproductive organs, it covers all essential areas. You'll find everything you need to know within its pages. Make learning veterinary anatomy enjoyable and effective. Grab your copy and start coloring your way to success. What we like. This book provides an engaging and hands-on approach to understanding complex biological structures. If you are a veterinary student seeking an interactive study method, or an animal enthusiast who enjoys visual learning, you should consider this. Its coloring format helps reinforce anatomical knowledge in a memorable way. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.